Let's look at two more examples. Say we have e to the x squared equals y minus 1. This is a special case, okay? Log base e is a special case, and that's why we're going over this. So make sure you get this written down. So first of all, your exponent is your answer, x squared.
Does that exponent have another exponent?
Yes, it does.
Oh no.
Doesn't matter. It's still just your answer to the log. So you're going to put the exponent as your answer on the other side of the equal sign. Okay, and then e is your base. So for right now, we're just going to put e. I'll explain what to do with that in a second. So it's going to be log base e. And then the result, y minus 1, goes into parentheses. So it reads x squared is equal to log base e of y minus 1. Now, because e is such a prevalent number, and it's an important number, log base e has a special way of writing. Okay? Instead of writing log base e every time, since it comes up so much, we write ln. And we don't even include the base. ln means log base e. Okay? And another way of reading that is natural log. Okay? So basically, the n stands for natural and the l stands for log. For whatever reason, they're reversed. So it's ln. It means log base e. And there's another special log we're going to look at in the next example. There's two special logs. This is one of them. So if you go to a calculator and you type in ln is base 10,